Governor Soludo, how do you see the work of Governor Soludo in Anambra State?
For me, I would say that Governor Soludo is trying his best. Looking at the infrastructural development in Anambra, Anambra is improving now. So I would say that Governor Soludo is trying.
Okay, so you are wishing Governor Soludo to win next term?
Yes, let him go for the second term.
So you like what Governor Soludo is doing in Anambra State?
Yes.
Okay, my brother, thank you very much. Good afternoon, madam. So how do you see the work of Governor Soludo in Anambra State?
It's very nice. The work that Soludo is doing in Anambra State, all the Anambra State people will love it, especially the road. You know, our road before is very bad. So when rain fall, the road will just be scattered. You can't pass the road. But now everywhere is getting smoothly. Especially the gutter. The gutter now, water can flow. When the rain, everything can flow. And the double lane that is they are working in Anambra State now is going smoothly. So Anambra now is very nice. Especially the road. Your machine can pass. Then motor people and the Okada, they can pass smoothly. So he's doing a very good work in Anambra State. We are so grateful for him.
Okay, so you like what Governor Soludo is doing in Anambra State?
Yes, we love it.
How about the next election? Do you want him to win?
Well, yes, of course. We want him to win in next election.
Okay, thank you very much. So, sir, how do you see the work of Governor Soludo in Anambra State? How do you see the work of Governor Soludo? Whether Governor Soludo, is he trying or not they try?
Actually, I see a work of Governor Soludo very nice, especially in this coming election now. Governor Soludo is going to win in that seat again. He made Anambra very clear. Now Anambra is the light of the nation right now. Since 2000, how many years have Anambra is not the light of the nation, but in time of Governor Soludo is a really governor of Anambra State. Road, a construct road in Indewi from Wago to Okija Junction.
Then, because Governor Soludo, he like Rollo and Anambra State. He like Rollo and Anambra State.
I like Kiremia, but those who are free education. Yeah, they may think.
Okay, you free education?
Yes.
Can you not go to school? Can you class go? JS2. So, do JS2 are the Akuwa in Anambra State? Okay, or from JS2, so can
JS1 to SS.
SS, wonderful. Now, Governor Soludo will try you. So, in a Governor Soludo. Okay. So, each of Governor Soludo to win another one?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. How you see the work of Governor Soludo? Whether Governor Soludo, whether he try or not try, how do you see his work?
Well, the evidence is proof that we are seeing it. Even the main road that is working, we are seeing many things. Even the dustbin where they drop on main road, and they back up now, no be before again. Well, the man is trying, in fact. May God bless him. Anambra now is a small London. And we believe by more years now, he will develop many places very well.
So Governor Soludo is trying.
He's trying.
And we are wishing him to win under.
Yes, he's going for second tenor. We are supporting him. He's going for second tenor.
Okay. Thank you very much. Sir,
yes.
How do you see the work of Governor Soludo in Anambra State? Whether Governor Soludo is the try or not the try? I want to hear your own opinion.
The fact is that man they try well. If you come Anambra State, everywhere, they very neat as even the way they park everywhere, they now no they take again. Everywhere, even road, na double lane, where they do for us for this Nnewi self, Anambra State. The man they try too much. Let's tell ourselves, the man will go another one. I tell you, the man they try.
Okay, so you like the work of Governor Soludo?
Yes, I like it.
And they want Governor Soludo to win another one?
I tell you, no be lie.
Okay. How do you see the Governor Soludo? Do you like what he's doing in Anambra State?
So I would like their work and the construction, road construction. I will see their handwork. It's working well.
So Governor Soludo is trying in Anambra State?
We're trying.
So you want him to win another election?
By the grace of God, because nobody knows.
Okay.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, but on your own, you are wishing him to win?
Yes, I wish him win now.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah,
okay, no problem. Thank you, my brother.
Thank you.